It used to take months and sometimes years to start making real money online. But lately, I've seen a small group of people doing it in days. The question is how? What do they know about making money online that most people don't? Well, over the last few months, I've been watching this space very closely and I started noticing a pattern. There are a few new methods which are barely talked about that are letting people skip the boring grind and start earning money fast. So in this video, I'm breaking down the 5 fastest ways to make money online right now, even if you're starting from scratch. These aren't those typical side hustles that you've already heard about. These are fresh, under the radar strategies that are exploding in 2025. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start using them today. The first method is so new, YouTube hasn't even caught up to it yet. There's a wave of faceless YouTube Shorts channels that are blowing up and getting millions of views. And the people behind them are not filming anything. They're not editing and they're not even writing the scripts for the video. They're using AI to pump out 10 to 20 shorts a day, and they're using 4 different methods to make money with it: AdSense, affiliate links, channel flipping, and sponsorship. Let me show you how this works. So you start with a simple niche like viral finance fact, dumb billionaire purchases, or cool AI tool. Then you use ChatGPT to script your video in 30 seconds, and you copy paste that script into a free AI voice tool like 11 Labs. And finally, you throw it into a CapCut template or a Canva video generator with some viral footage and subtitles. And just like that, you're done and you have one YouTube short. Now imagine doing 10 of those in a day. Some creators are using this exact system to build up faceless YouTube channels and then sell them for $2,000 to $10,000. Others use them to push traffic to affiliate links or high-paying CPA offers. But here's the wild part. You don't even have to wait for AdSense. One good short can drive tens of thousands of views to a landing page today. And once your channel hits 10 million views in 90 days, you unlock Shorts monetization. And that's when things really snowball. So if you're broke and you want to stay anonymous, this just might be your fastest way to make money online in 2025. Now, if Shorts aren't your thing or you want something even faster, method number 2 on today's video is Pump.fun token flip. This one sounds ridiculous, but people are flipping $20 meme coins into $2,000 profits within a single week. It's called Pump.fun and it's basically the Wild West of crypto in 2025. Here's how it works. Every few minutes, new tokens are launched on Pump.fun. Most of them are junk and just total garbage, but some of them go viral, especially when they get posted in the right Telegram group or they get tweeted by a famous meme coin influencer on X. And the so-called smart degens, all they do is basically snipe early, ride the hype, and then dump before it dies. I've seen people turn $18 into like $1,600, and this doesn't only happen once, it happens multiple times. But here's what most people don't know. There's actually a blueprint to spotting the winner. All you need to do is look for 3 things: hype in locked telegrams before launch, influencer wallets buying early, and memes that are so dumb that they're brilliant. Of course, this isn't a long-term strategy. It's high risk. But if you're broke, fast-moving, and not afraid to lose $10, this is the most degenerate but strangely profitable method on this list. And there's a reason I put it early in the video, because the next one might just replace your full-time job. Now, I know you're probably thinking, that sounds cool, but I don't want to gamble my savings away on some dog-themed token. Fair. So let's talk about something a little more stable, but still insanely fast to profit from if you do it the right way. Method number 3 on today's video is dropshipping, but smarter and faster. Now, dropshipping isn't new, but most people are doing it completely wrong. They build bloated stores with 20 plus random products, no idea how to market, and then wonder why they're stuck in tutorial hell. But here's the twist. What's working in 2025 is one product store flipping. You launch a clean, high converting store with just one trending product. You drive traffic using TikTok organic or a single viral video. And once it goes viral, you flip the store for $2,000 to $5,000, or you automate it for passive sale. And the tool that makes this actually doable is a platform called AutoDS. And I've been testing it behind the scenes for weeks. So this is actually one of my favorite tools for finding dropshipping products, not just because it's good, but because it's been trusted in the space for years and it's only gotten better since then. Inside the dashboard, you get access to millions of products across every niche. And what makes it different is AutoDS isn't just a research tool. They actually act as the supplier too. That means they'll ship the product to your customers with fast shipping times and automated tracking. But the real winning feature here is the Ad Spy tool. This is where you don't just see products, you see the ads those products are featured in. So instead of guessing what might sell, you're literally watching live winning ads from other dropshippers that are already making money. Then there's the hand-picked products section. These are products manually selected by the AutoDS team because they're proven, high converting, and already trending. And if you want pure speed, the trending products tab uses real-time data to surface what's going viral right now. That's actually how I find my winning product. So if you're trying to launch your first store or even flip a one product store for profit, this is the fastest way that I've found to cut the learning curve. I'll drop the link to AutoDS in the description below so you can try it out and get access to everything that I've just shown you. Because trust me, if you're gonna do dropshipping in 2025, this is how you do it fast. Alright, so let's say you don't want to sell products at all. You'd rather just get paid to write. Method number 4 to make money online fast is writing TikTok scripts to make fast cash. This one's crazy underrated, but there are creators and brands out there willing to pay $30 to $100 per TikTok script. The reason they pay so much is because most people suck at writing viral hooks. But if you can write stuff like, this product saved my relationship, or I can't believe I found this product on Amazon, you can literally sell that line with no filming and no editing with just the writing. Use ChatGPT to speed it up and then refine it yourself with a proven structure. And finally, deliver a full batch of scripts in a few hours. You can find gigs like this on Fiverr, Upwork, or inside UGC Discord servers or Facebook groups. It's low effort, no startup cost, and if you're actually good, you're going to have repeat clients begging you for weekly scripts. And finally, if you want to build something fast and sell it like digital real estate, method number 5 is going to be AI website flipping. Right now, you can use tools like Durable or Framer AI to build full websites in under 10 minutes. Then you flip them on marketplaces like Flippa or rent them out to small businesses with call tracking. It's like building a house in under an hour, then selling it the same week for $500 to $1,000. Pick a niche, generate the site, add a logo, done. You don't need to code and you don't need to be a designer because AI handles all of it. Stack a few of these and you've got real income without chasing clients or filming anything. Let me know in the comments which method you're going to try first. Or if you've got one that's even faster, drop it below. If this video helped, tap that like button so more people actually see it. And if you're serious about making money online in 2025, hit subscribe because we're just getting started.